Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make this pixel art Christmas postcard. I really wanted to make this top-down winter scenery for the Christmas time we are having now. Also, this will be my first video with the voiceover, so please have a little bit patience. Also, I hope you like my almost native American accent. It took me like decades to learn speak English this level. No, just kidding. I have pretty strong Finnish accent, but yeah, anyway. And here you can see me sketching the scenery. Finally I decided to crop the image because I was thinking there's too much in the background and I really wanted to consider to the house. And the second phase is to clean up the lines. So I'm using just the eraser, taking off the extra detail that there is. So of course there has to be a Christmas tree. At this phase I'm still trying to find some elements and stuff that the image might have. And in winter there has to be reindeers. Characters and animals, not my specialty. I'm really bad at them, I think, at least. So here I made another level below the image, and I start to put some flat colors. I think here would help if you would have some palette ready, but I just decided to use the colors from the palette or from the color picker. It really helps if you have some good palette. If you suck with colors, it makes it a lot easier to have better result. I'm just adding some color and details, pretty random. Didn't have really clear what I'm doing, but just snow and the wood. I really didn't have any idea what to put in the background, so finally I was decided, okay, it can be some lake or something. Pretty much I'm just scribbling stuff, if that's how you call it in English. Just doodling stuff. So here I decided that the scenery would be more in the night. So I just added to multiply level and took slightly the opacity more down, and I started to erase the light in the scene. So thinking about where the light would hit and just take off the multiply color in there. I did also add the screen light effect, another layer above everything, and paint like light in the scene too. And also I took the opacity slightly down in there. And finally I decided to make the slightly like postcard effect or paper or something more to have some corner or edge in the image. I checked some image in the search engine and took some inspiration, and of course copy paste everything so faster that way. So I hope you like this video. Have a nice Christmas and Happy New Year.